Okay, I think so. I'm audible. Is my screen is also visible? Yeah, I am also visible. Okay. So today we are going to learn about how to set up Git locally and also how to upload your whole project into the GitHub. So from locally, so if we so I just actually we are using GitHub. So let me show. Actually, to create a repository, in the previous video, I have shown how to use GitHub. So now today I'm showing how to use our GitBash, how to use GitBash to push our code into the GitHub. Yeah. So see, actually, if you want to create a repository previously, so we might have used like a new, so we have to click the new, and also we have to click something like this one, and we have to create the repository. So now this is not the case. This is not the case. So now what we have to do? So what we have to do to install our Git locally in our system, and we have to uh, upload the repository. Yeah. So for that one, you have to follow some specific steps. Yeah, the very first thing is go to git downloads, uh, go to git download, and then you have to choose your system, like for me it is for windows, and then windows, I'm using 64-bit for windows setup. So this is not this is simply a we have to click something like a yes, 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 that's it. So if we go here, I have already downloaded. If we go here, I have already downloaded. I'm already having, I think. Yeah, I'm already having that git git bash. So after installing that, you have to click git bash. Yeah, git bash. If you are clicking git bash, yeah, see, I'm zooming in. If you can see, this one is visible. This one is visible to everyone, I think. Yeah. Yes, this is enough. So now I will show how to create project in our system, and also how to upload your project into this GitHub from this command line. So only using some commands, Git commands, we are able to create repository, and also we are able to push that one. Yeah. For that one, we have to create an separate folder. So I'm going to desktop. So for this one, cd means change my directory. Yeah, my current working directory is on desktop. So let me clear the screen, and I'm going to create an folder. So for that one, we have to use a mkdir. So mkdir means make directory. So what I'm using, like this will be going on YouTube. That's why I'm creating like a YouTube. So let me go to cd YOU to UB. Yeah. So let me check my current working directory. Yeah. So I'm inside the working directory. Yeah. If we enter ls, so there are no files in that one. So using touch command, I'm going to create a file like file one. Sorry. Let me take file dot txt. Now click ls. Yes, see, you can see that file.txt is available. So, and also if you go through the open the folder, so you can see that file.txt has been created. Yeah. So this is the basic step we have done. So now what we have done is, we have created the folder in my desktop. First I have changed my directory to desktop, and then I have moved to my I have created a folder in my desktop, and then I have added my file. So I'm having file.txt. So now what I have to do? What I have to do is, I have to push I have to push this repository completely to the GitHub. So for that one, you have to do some basic configurations after installing. Yeah, for this one you have to do git config minus minus global minus minus global user dot email. You have to enter this one. So actually I have entered my GitHub email previously, so that's why it is coming like this. So if you want to enter now, so please click this one, like git config minus minus global user dot email. Similarly, for entering the user dot name, yeah, similarly it will give like Manyam Sanjay Kumar Reddy. Yeah, see, uh, for for entering the for entering the email, so git config minus minus global user dot email we have to enter, and then for the git config minus minus global user dot name, for username we have to enter this one. So don't worry, all these commands will be given in the description of this YouTube channel. So now our GitHub account setup has been done. So now what we have to do? So the next thing we have to do is we have to initialize. We have to initialize something like so. Let me create a new. Yeah, let us not consider this as of now. We have to initialize. We have to initialize an empty GitHub repository. So from where you will get this means, yeah, let me YouTube, yeah, let it be like private, public. So there is no, you should not add anything. Let it make that. Yeah, here they have, you can see git init. Yeah, so if we enter git init, so it will give like initialized empty git repository in c drive, dot git. So if we enter ls, it will give only the files which are existed on like los. If we enter ls minus a, it will give the all the private, or like these are all the hidden, folders, like dot git. So wherever the folder name is starting with dot, so that is exactly all the files, all the folders will be hidden. Yes. Now I'm going to clear, like no need to clear, and then I'm adding something like git add dot. Yeah, git add dot means, so actually here they have said git add readme. So what I'm doing is, so like let me create another file, like file 1.txt. So if we want to add all the files, we will use git add dot. So if we want to add a particular file, so we have to be mention our name. Yeah, git file1.txt. Then we have to follow this command. Yeah, git commit minus some first commit. Git commit minus m first commit. Yeah, git commit first commit. And then what I'm doing is, so they have said to, so branch to main. So we have to enter this one, like let me erase this. Yeah, we have to enter git branch minus m main, and then we have to enter like git remote add. So we have to tell this git locally command. We have to say that git remote add origin this repository. Yeah, so we have created this repository now. So where we have to add, where we have to all our project structure, or all our project documentation documents here means, so we have to enter this command, and then we have to push git push minus u origin main. See, all our documents has been pushed into this repository. Let us wait. Yeah. So enumerating objects 3, okay. Counting objects, yes. Data compression completed. Compressing objects also completed. Yeah. Next, so to check the status, git status on branch. Yeah, nothing is clean. So if we enter git log, you will be getting snapshot of the commits which we have done. So our latest commit is first commit. Yeah. So now let us refresh this one. See, file1.txt has been came, file1.txt and file2 dot file1.txt has been come. So this is the way, we can add any file or any document or any folder into this GitHub using using GitBash. So this is the process. How to add documents into the, how to add project folder into the GitHub using GitBash. So if you want to add manually, you can create a file. So I'm entering a file name as .gitignore. So these are all the some of the files. uh, Let us take like Java. Oh, not this one, we need like a Java. It's not moving. Yeah, Java. See, so if we commit changes, create .gitignore, go to YouTube. So now to get this document into our folder, actually, uh, this document is not there in the YouTube folder, but then it has been found in this GitHub repository. To get that we have to like enter git pull command. If we enter this git pull command, see, .gitignore file has been imported into our local system. So we'll do this. So let me explain what we have done as of now. Let me explain clearly what we have done, like notes. Let me Yeah, first one we have done, downloaded git for our specified OS. Yeah. Second thing what we have done is, the second thing is, we have created we create see, we created a folder using mkdir YouTube name, and then we have moved to YouTube folder, and then we have initialized an empty git repository, and then we have added all our documents, all our files or all our folders into the initialized git repository, and then we have changed our branch. We have changed our branch to main. Yeah. Next thing we have added remote repository. We have added remote uh, repository. Yeah, before this, here we have done committing, git commit. Yeah, git commit we have done. Yeah, let us change the serial number. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the next thing is git push. Yeah, what is git push? We have pushed all the files or the folders into the created GitHub repository. Yes, this is the thing. So today, what we have learned all these five all these five git commands. So basically, what this video is mainly telling about is we have done we have learnt how to add files manually. So we can upload also. So we can upload anything. Let us upload anything. Mm, yeah, we are having something like EDA, IPN, BY files. So we have added something. We have added something using this file also, and then we got to know that how to use this Git locally, Git Bash locally from our system and committing all the changes, so that all the files will be added to the GitHub account. Yeah, this is all about for this video. So in the next video we'll be get to know like how to maintain this, how to restore, like we have committed this one, how to go back, like what is mean by commit, what is mean by initialization, and also we'll get to know what is this branch, adding in initialization, everything in the next video clearly. So that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.